cable circuits. From our diagram, we've explained that small power installation consists of an outlet, a circuit, which is a cable within a containment fed by a protection device inside a distribution board. So now we're talking about circuits. Circuit is made up of a cable and a protection device. So first of all, we'll look at a cable. A cable usually um, the cable carries current from two carries current to our outlet and our load. There are two main types of cables. We have your single cable and your multi-core cable. As you can see in the picture, you have your single cable and your multi-core cable. The multi-core cable, you can have the um, armored cable or the small power cable. The cables, the current, the phases of the cables, they have a color code. So the live, the neutral, and the earth has a color code, which you can see. Uh, Also, the cables, the circuit, there are different types of circuit that we can use. Primarily, they are ring circuit or a radial circuit. A ring circuit supplies equipment and then the cable is looped back to the source in the form of a ring, while a radial circuit, as you can see, will feed equipment. You can daisy chain or connect various equipment to this to the same circuit. And then you have your spurs. Your spur is when you can tee off from a radial or a ring circuit. Also, we have track system, like a bus bar power system, which is also a type of circuit, and your equipment they are connected to the bus bar or the track system. And you can have your modular wiring system as shown. So these are the various types of small power circuits that you will encounter and you need to use when you're doing your design. The circuit, as we said, is installed in a containment system. We will mention the installation methods or the types of containment that we use. The containment system is provided to support and protect the cable from mechanical damage. You have the types of containment system we have is you have a conduit system, you have your trunking system, you have your basket and your tray system, and you can have your capping system. The capping system is usually used in residential and domestic type of installation. We don't use it in commercial installation. The type of containment system you use depends on the type of cable you're using. So if you're using a single core cables, then you need to install the cables in conduit or trunking system. And then if you're using multi-core cables, like your twin and earth or your armored cable, you should provide a basket system or a tray system. The rating of your circuit um, depends on the load, but there are some standard circuits that we typically provide for small power installation. For instance, our ring circuit is typically 32 amps protection with 2.5 mil cable, and then you can have your radial circuit. So we'll talk about more about the ratings of the circuit when we're talking about protection devices. Cables also uh, cable also varies in size. So you can have a 1.5, 2.5, 4, 6, 10, 16 mil cable.